500, 200, 100, 50, 50, 220, and then a 5. He put the package on a scale. As shown, what is smallest number of the ways he need to balance the scale up. So in order to balance this left and right, we need to have the same weight on both sides. So we have 445 on right side, so we should have the 445 on the right side as well. So we use the red colors. So we need to use, in order to use the smallest, biggest number, but cannot be above the 445. So we use 200, and then we use so they will give us so this will balance also how many we have for the weights 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 weights. However, there's another way to do it. So let me use another color here just for easy identification purpose. So let me use this blue color here. So we use a 200, we use another 200, and then we use a 50. So you may think, oh, okay, I got it now. So actually, so in order to balance out, you can put some weight on the right side as well. If you can get the smallest number, so you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know now C is the correct number. The figure below shows a honeycomb with the 16 cells. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. So some of the cells contains honey. So this is honeybee, you can see. So some contain honey, but some doesn't. So the number in each cell indicates how many of the neighboring cell contain honey. So this one, for example, this one has a 0, which means the neighboring cells doesn't contain honey. The common edge. So this is share the common edge. Let me draw the color here. So this share the common edge. So 0 and 3 are neighbors. Okay. So let's move it on to the question. So let's see. So starting here, so 0 equal, because 0 means these two neighbors don't have it. So we just scratch it out. Okay, cross it out. So we have 3 here. So which means 3 of them have colors for identification purpose. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 surrounding for that. We're going counterclockwise. So this one I can check because this one doesn't. So which means another 3 need to have. So this one need to have, this one need to have. And then this is a 2 here. And as we know, there are 4 cells surrounding this 2. So you already have 2 already. So which means this 3 here showing the number 3. This one doesn't have contain 100. Okay, moving on to this one. Okay, this one has a 4. However, we know there's still 4 unknown, but one has honey, so which means there are 3 of this out of 4 has honey, but we don't know which one. So don't worry about that. Let me think about which one we could go. Maybe we go this one. So this one means 2. So surrounding has 3 cells, and then So two of them need to have honeys. Interesting. So let's think about which one we need to go. So maybe we go to this one. This one also 6. This one had 3. So maybe let's count to this one. Take a look. So this one has 3. So which means out of this 4 surrounding, 3 need to have. So we already have 1. So we need 2 more. So this 4 has honey, and then this 1 has honey. Okay, so this one, which means this 3 cell need to have one of out of 3 need to have 1 honey. So we already have 1 honey here, so we know this one, this 4 doesn't contain honey on this cell. We're moving on this. Now we have 1, 4, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, and we know we already have 2 honeys, so we need 2 more, 1 and 2. We have 2 more. So those have honey, which means another surrounding of out of 6 need to have 4 honey. We already have 4 honey. Another 2 doesn't contain honey. Honey is 2, so which means out of that one has 2 honeys. Surroundings 1, 2. That's correct. So this one has 2 honeys. Okay, so there's a 4 cells surrounded. So we can cross this one out. This 3 we can cross it out. Okay, interesting. Moving on to next. This 3, which means surrounding need to have 3 honeys around, and then they're out of 6 cells. And 1, 2, 3. We're missing 1. Check. So we need to check this 2 out. And this 1, which means this 2, one of this has honey, so that's correct. Let's try this. This 3 means out of this 4 cells, 3 of them need to be checked, and then we still have 1 more need to be checked. So we need to check this one out. So how many check we have on blue colors? So I put an easy mark here. Blue color has honey. So we can count that. We know there's a 9 blue here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blue. And sorry. Let me show here. And the red doesn't have honey. Okay, so the correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. Okay. If you got it, good job. If doesn't, that's fine. You can make several tries and finally you will get it. It's a very interesting question, I would say. Okay, next question. The diagram showing 4 touching rectangles. What is the area of the shaded rectangle? So in order to get the areas, basically we need to know the depth of this. And also we need to know the width of this. Okay, so in order to know, we maybe can try this 3 out of 4. We can try this 3. Try to solve the width and length for the corresponding this 3 other rectangle and find it out. Maybe you can try this way. So 45 centimeters square. So we know the length width is 5, we can check the length. So the length will be 9 because 9 times 5 will give you 45 centimeter square. So we got 9 here, and then let's try. So we know this is 13 here. So 13 minus 9 will give you the difference here, which is in order for us to calculate the length on this side. So we need to know the width first. So we got 4 here because that's the difference, which is 13 minus 9, which will give you this distance. Okay, good job, guys. And moving on to next. So once you know that's 40, and then this is 4, you know 4 times 10 will give you 40. So we know this is a 10. Okay, good job, guys. So this is 16, right? And then we try to find out the distance here. So the distance will be 16 minus the number we just get, which is 10, and then we'll give you 6 centimeters. And this is the width of this rectangle of the 48 centimeter square. And then we try to get this number. Undo. Okay. We try to get the width of this rectangle, and we find out 6 times 8 will give you 48, which is 8 centimeters. And now it's we want to know the area of the shaded rectangles. Let's try see if we can find out the width here. So the width will be let me think, will be basically it's 8 minus 4. So 8 you will from this way all the way to here, and then minus 4 which will give you the difference for this. So you can have the a minus 4, and which will give you 4 for this, 4 centimeter for this. And then you know the width now. And you try to calculate the length. So the length will be, now you know this is a 10, right? And you know this is a 5. So 10 minus 5 will give you the distance here, the difference here. So 10 minus 5 will give you 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeter will be this length. In order to get the areas, so this is the last step. So last step will be calculated the area, which is use the formula width times length. So you have 4 centimeter there, and then you times 5 centimeters, give you 20 centimeters square. So that's the answer here. So let's see what is the answer. Okay. So the correct answer is E. Okay, congratulations everyone. So that's we can stop right here, and then we'll continue. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.